if there's not.
Oh, my helpers, are you all going?
Yeah.
No, I'm saying.
Okay. Woohoo! Learning about volume today, 6th graders. So, you got this piece of paper. We're going to do the rectangular prism first. Okay, so right now I'm cutting out this 2-dimensional figure. Eventually, you're going to cut it out and, yeah, well first we're going to do the rectangular prism. So when we do surface areas, it'll be easier for you to visualize each side of each one. So you just find length times width on this one, length times width, 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 and add them up. Okay, so there'll be formulas. You don't need to memorize it today. Today's our job is just to cut them out, glue them in, and take some notes. So first it's rectangular prism. You know what might help is to put page 67 maybe. We'll remember that one goes on page 67.
Hello?
Oh, yes. And then the next one we're going to do is this one. It's a triangular prism. This one, see how it's made out of rectangles? This one has some rectangle faces in it, but when it's put together, it's a prism. It's 3-dimensional. So you're cutting this out. I'll probably pause it because you're probably getting yourself organized and sharing scissors with people near you. And I can show you, yeah, that's another one we have, a triangular pyramid. Oh, and look, they taped it together. Awesome. See? 2-dimensional flat, 3-dimensional. See how it sticks out? It has dimension. And let's see. You can hold this one. Okay, and what she's holding is a rectangular prism. And let's see how many faces it has. Let's fold it out, and that's called a net, by the way. So as she's pointing to each one, like this is a face. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's just familiarizing yourself. What you got there? What you got? Oh, fold it up and let's see if we can guess what it is. So that also has 6 faces, kind of like when you play dice or a tissue box. Yeah, and that's a what?
Square?
Yeah, it's a well. I guess you could call it a square, a cube. Yeah, I guess technically you could call it a square pyramid, rectangular pyramid, and then triangular pyramid is like this red one. See, it's got triangle faces and some rectangle ones, but these two are triangles, kind of like a tent. I always think of like a tent or a wedge of cheese, right, for triangular prism. Okay, back, now you're probably caught up with me, cutting out your shapes. This one will be the first one we talk about on 67. And the next one, I don't think we talked about, I had it all organized before, but my camera wasn't working. Okay, I'm going to hit pause because my son's calling. Bye for now. BRB, 6th graders.